she really feels. Looking real tough with chrome reverse wheels. Blue coral wax job sure looks pretty. Gonna get my chick and make it out to Drag City. Well, I'm gonna Drag City. Run her through now. Gonna Drag City. What'll she do now? Gonna Drag City. Run her through now. Gonna Drag City. What'll she do now? Burn up that quarter mile. DJ saying of my favorite station. Drag City races are the fastest in the nation. Rails are the wildest and the stalkers are pretty. Get my honey, grab some money, split the Drag City. Well, I'm gonna Drag City. Run her through now. Gonna Drag City. What'll she do now? Gonna Drag City. Run her through now. Gonna Drag City. What'll she do now? Burn up that quarter mile. Burning rubber thickets us fills the air. Vinyl tunes jacking up action everywhere. Checkered flags, wheel stands sure sound pretty. Hear the cheers, ring your ears out of Drag City. Well, I'm gonna Drag City. Run her through now. Gonna Drag City. What'll she do now? Gonna Drag City. Run her through now. Drag City. What'll she do now? Burn up that quarter mile. Burn up that quarter mile. She's doing wine, wine, wine. She's doing wine, wine, wine. She's doing wine, wine, wine. She's doing wine, wine, Little scoop, you don't know what I got. Scoop, you don't know what I got. Well, I'm not bragging, babe, so don't put me down. But I've got the fastest set of wheels in town. When something comes up to me, he don't even try. 'Cause if he had a set of wings, man, I know she could fly. She's my little scoop. You don't know what I got. Scoop, you don't know what I got. Just a little disc coupe with a flathead mill. But she'll walk a thunderbird like she's standing still. She's boarded in her lead and she's stroking board. She'll do 140 in the top end floor. She's my little disc coupe. You don't know what I got. You don't know what I got. She's got a competition clutch with the 4 on the floor. And she purrs like a kitten till the lake pipes roar. And if that ain't enough to make you flip your lid, there's one more thing, I got the pink slip daddy. And coming off the line when the light turns green, well, she blows them out of the water like you never seen. I get pushed out of shape and it's hard to steer when I get rubber in all 4 gears. She's my little scoop. You don't know what I got. You don't know what I got. She's my little scoop. You don't know what I got. You don't know what I got. She's my little scoop. Tack it up, buddy, gonna shut you down. It happened on the strip where the road is wide. 2 cool shorts standing side by side. Yeah, my fuel injected Stingray and a 413 are revving up their engines and it sounds real mean. Tack it up, buddy, gonna shut you down. Declining numbers at an even rate. At the count of 1 we both accelerate. My Stingray is like the slicks are starting to spin, but the 413's really digging in. Gotta be cool now, power shift, here we go. Super stock Dodge whining out and low, but my fuel injector Stingray's really starting to go. To get the traction on a ride in the clutch, my pressure plate's burning and the sheet's too much. Pedals to the floor, here is Dubois spin. And now the 413's lead is starting to spin. He's saw with random induction, but it's understood. I got a shut you down. Shut it off, buddy, now I shut you down. Shut it off, buddy, now I shut you down. Shut it off, buddy, now I shut you down. It's the little old lady from Pasadena.
The little old lady from Pasadena.